The welding course is designed to provide the fundamentals of welding for the beginner. Here, you will learn to operate equipment pertaining to arc welding and oxy-fuel cutting, and instruction in the choice of proper electrodes, wires, and gases. In this class, you will get hands-on training in the welding lab, preparing you for the workplace, which starts with the proper use and application of safety equipment. In this class, you will be schooled in fire training, first aid and CPR, which are all crucial components to this industry. Upon successful completion of this course, you will be able to perform a variety of welding skills and techniques. Learning how to execute basic plasma cutting and oxy-fuel torch use with safe industry standard techniques is another skill set that you will learn to master. The sessions on shielded metal arc welding include perfecting overlapping beads in a variety of positions. Performing destructive bend tests is a critical component to the welding class, as it clearly demonstrates the success or failure of the welded joint. This welding course will be beneficial to students going into any field, and especially a welding career or any occupation that requires welding skills.